Hello friends, this is Rahul Patil. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will create an audiobook bot using UiPath. So basically here we will use UiPath app where we have basically created one presentation layer or we can say a web page. Then we used UiPath Studio to develop our workflow, and we used Google Cloud Computing Services, that is text to speech and translation. So using these we have basically developed a audiobook bot. So that bot basically will help us to read the PDF file and transfer into the audio format. Yeah, let's move on to the UiPath Studio first. Yeah, so this is the UiPath Studio, and we have basically created one small workflow that we have basically created here. So we used here Google Text Translate and Google Cloud Text to Speech activity. Okay, now to download these activity, basically we have to first use uipath.googlespeech.activity and uipath.cognitive.activities. So basically these two packages that we have to download from manage packages. Okay, then basically you can use Google Text Translator and Google Cloud Text to Speech activity. Now I have used read PDF text activity. Why? Basically we have to read the PDF. Now this is our PDF. This is simple PDF, I can say, and I have provided some sample content here in this PDF. Okay, so this is the PDF that we are going to use as an input. Now I have provided here an argument that is in underscore PDF file path. Okay, because we have basically trigger this or basically provide input from the UiPath apps, that the layer, or I would say web page that we have created, and then basically Google Text Translator. So this activity we have used. So what we have done here, we have basically convert our English text into the Hindi, and then basically we have provided the Hindi text to the text to speech activity, and then it will provided Hindi audio format. Okay, so here for Google Text Translator activity we have basically used this key. Now from where this key we have received. Okay, so if you go on to the Google Cloud console, so here basically you can search text translator. Yeah, so Cloud Translation API. So this API basically you have to select, and you have to generate the basically API key. So this is the API key that we have basically received here, and the same API key that we have passed here for the key property for the Google Text Translator activity, and remaining that source language, that is something English, and the target language, that is something Hindi, that we have provided here. So this format basically that you can be found on the Google Cloud documentation, what is the expected format from the languages, that you will get it from there. Now after once we have done this translate from English to Hindi, then we have provided our Hindi provided our output, that is translated into the Hindi, that output underscore text to the Google Cloud text to speech activity. So these argument again that we have provided here to the Google Cloud text to speech activity, and the language code again we have used here Hindi, and here basically the key part is here we have provided a service account file, again from where we have basically created the service account file. So that file basically you will be received from the Google Cloud Platform again. So under IAM and admin, we have created one service account called UiPath, I can say. And under the key section, here basically you can create a key, and you will, once you create a add key, uh, then you here you can basically select a JSON file, and you can click on create. So once you click on create button, then basically you will receive a service account key file. This is the service account key file that I have basically generated from the Google Cloud Console. Okay, I will create it for your purpose. And yeah, here you can able to see these third key is getting generated, that is on April of 2021, and this is the JSON file is being created. And the JSON file, if I open it, so all the contents are there in the JSON file basically. Okay, so this is the service account key file that we can use, and we have provided here under the service account file property, and here we have provided our path. Now, so another property that basically the language format or language code that here we have provided. Again, you can go onto the Google Cloud documentation, and you will get to know all the language codes from there. Here we have basically used Hindi, so voice would be the female and our language code would be the Hindi. So whatever text we have converted from English to Hindi, that Hindi text basically both will speak into the Hindi language. Now moving on to the UiPath apps. So basically what we have done, we have basically developed this workflow on the UiPath Studio, then we have published this workflow on the orchestrator, and we have basically create one web application with the help of UiPath app. Let me just click on this run button. So this is the basically interface of this is the interface basically in a simple way that I have basically developed it. And what we have going to do here, we have basically providing our input file path, so basically PDF file path, whatever PDF is file is there. Let me just copy this path, and we will provide our PDF file, and here we will click here, this is the button. So what happened, both the request is sent to the orchestrator, and both will invoke and it will execute the workflow, or I would say a process. I have just now click here, and here you can see both is now running, you can see.
नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी जन्म 17 सितंबर 1950, एक भारतीय राजनीतिज्ञ हैं। 2014 से भारत के 14वें और वर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री हैं। वो गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे 2001 से 2014 तक और वाराणसी के लिए संसद सदस्य हैं। मोदी भारतीय सदस्य हैं जनता पार्टी, भाजपा और राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ (RSS), एक हिंदू राष्ट्रवादी स्वयंसेवक संगठन। वो भारत की स्वतंत्रता के बाद पैदा हुए पहले प्रधानमंत्री हैं। दूसरे गैर AB वाजपेयी के बाद कांग्रेस लगातार 2 बार जीतने वाली और पहली बार दोनों शर्तों को जीतने वाली कांग्रेस के बाहर भी बहुमत।
So or basically both executed, and it will basically transfer the PDF into the audio format. And here is also basically we have provide as an whatever text being read by the bot that has been we have printed. Basically it is interpreted text, so whatever we have developed in our bot. So the argument that we have created here, 2 is in and 1 is out basically to basically interpret or whatever text is translated from English to Hindi that we have printed here. So these bindings basically we have done in the UiPath apps itself. If I go onto the edit, so here you can see this is the argument that we have binded in .pdf file. This is our basically argument, indirection argument, where we are providing the file path, and here interpreted text, which is something out.text. so whatever text being we are basically printed here in the output panel, the same we have basically printed here in the interpreted text section. So for that we have basically used out directions, and that for that we have used out.text argument, and here we have basically make the bindings of this. Yeah, so that's it in this video. This is a very small demonstration that we have created one small presentation layer for let's say a web page with the help of UiPath app, and from through where we have provided our input file, PDF file, and then bot will basically translate that PDF file into the audio format. So yeah, this is one of these very small demonstration. I hope you would like this video. If you have any questions, comment, please feel free to comment, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.